everyone. Welcome back to Living the Dream Garage 2.0 on YouTube. It's been a minute since we made an actual video or content. We just had some repeat stuff here. We had other jobs that we did not record. But we're messing around with the 1960 Ford again. Kind of basically on the, as you can see, we got to take this old radiator support off. We got a new one, or used but in better shape, to put on. We have to do a little bit of cleanup on it. It's got some little bend spots that are bent in areas, but no rot, no nothing like that, and it's a lot better shape. We're going to take the grill off, get the grill off, and put the other support on, start shaping it back up, getting ready. We're going to do a little bit of, we're going to touch the intercooler for the turbo a little bit here today, as far as just get an idea of fitment. Not full blown into install yet. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Only thing we got going on today. I want to thank everybody, all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming on board with us and watching the videos. We've been busy with other stuff, like I said, different things. But I want to thank everyone for subscribing, and still want to continue our thanks and our support for Benchmark Abrasives. And if you haven't, go see Benchmark. Give you some more information after this video is over. Thank you to Everlast, and thank you to Fast Flange, and we're gonna get going on this thing. Thank you. All right, everyone. Pretty much a boring day. We have the old radiator support out. We've got this new, not new, but better. It's in way better shape. Just needs to, we had to clean it, wash it. I know that's hard to believe, but it is clean and washed. It did not come with the football plays and stuff, the diagram for football play, for offense, defense. I put that on there. But what we're doing here, basically I was drawing out ways to cut it out, just for, it's going to have the regular grill in it, but we were making some room. We got to make room for just a little extra airflow in under the hood for the turbo in this area, because it is going to be behind the headlights. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna start fitting the intercooler, messing with that a little bit, and yeah, that's about where we're going with this. We got to make a repair here where we're off a little bit on when we replace this whole end cap of this fender, but got to make one repair there. Not too bad. But yeah, thank everyone for coming by. It is nothing. This is a boring day. It's just trying to get back going on this truck. Thank everyone for stopping by. All the new subscribers. I want to thank everybody. Benchmark abrasives, everybody. But that's where we're at today. Yeah, it's just like I said, again, it's a boring day. We got to get another game plan for tomorrow, a better one. But yeah, we're going to be working more and more up front of the truck. We've got to make a couple of finishing up deals on the tailgate. We'll be up here primarily. Doesn't look like much, but it's going to start changing pretty soon. Thank everyone for coming by and hanging out. All right, everyone. I don't know if anybody's seen this sitting in the shop or not, but we've talked to there's this company, Tough Jugs. Now, we've not used this yet, but we're going to be using it pretty soon. We always have to have fuel for the side-by-sides and vehicles that are around here, whatever. This is exactly brand new, but it's a newer fuel jug. It's supposed to be super tough. It is. It looks like it is. Got good ergonomics. Everything about it. It has this vent that when you're, like I said, we don't have fuel in it yet. But has this vent when you can fill it up, and when the fuel comes up, you're not going to overfill it. It's not going to blow out back on you. It's got this tube that catches the pressure of the fuel, apparently. But it's a really nice jug, and it's got a visual strip here for you can see what you have in it, how much fuel or whatever your fuel fluid is in it. But yeah, we just got it a couple days ago, and we've not put fuel in it yet, but we're going to be using it quite a bit around here. We're going to be filming with it to kind of test out how it works. Yeah, these people were gracious enough to send us one, and it's really cool. Tough jugs, and you can tell more about them on toughjugs.com. And yeah, we're gonna be using a lot more, and we might have a few more on here, and just wanted to let people see it. Being it may have showed up in a video or something, not sure if you've seen it in the background or whatever, but yeah, this is a new fuel jug, and we were going to buy one, so it's ironic we really did need one. But we are going to be putting it to use, and we're going to do it on video to where everybody can see, you know, just to see. I'd like to thank the people at Tough Jugs for sending us one to try out. Thank you, and we are going to be putting it to good use. That's for sure. Because we got a side by side that never has gas in it for some reason. But yeah, Tough Jugs. Check them out. They're good for race cars or anything, actually. Really good. It would be really good for a race car or anything, really. They got them in different various sizes. This is a 5-gallon. They do have them in like I said, different sizes, liter and gallon measurements. But yeah, they're good for about any application. Give them a check and look at them and all. And if you're interested in one, they're priced pretty cheap. I think they're more economic than the regular the other racing jugs of other names. I've had a couple of those, and they were pretty expensive. Give them a look-see, and see if one fits your need. Like I said, they're a little more economic than the other ones, so they would be good for like a race team or something, or anybody with motorcycles or race cars or anything really. Lawnmower, it doesn't matter. Good around the house or shop for sure. But they have that cool vent tube, and yeah, we're going to give it a try. And thank you to Tough Jugs again. And yeah, give it a try. Thank you. Yeah, but we're going to end it right here for today, everybody. We got some errands to run in the town, and like to also again give Benchmark, who will never, won't ever forget about Benchmark abrasives. They still carry a discount code for us, 10% off anything you buy at checkout. Off total price, 10%. If you put in LVD10, that's Benchmark abrasives. Anything you need abrasive-wise, they have it. And we want to thank them again, everything they do to help us. And one thing we need help is with abrasives. And they always have us covered. They have anything we ever need. We got to do some shopping this week for some more abrasives. We've used them like crazy in the past 2 weeks. And yeah, Benchmark abrasives, thank you very much. Thanks to all the new subscribers. The 1964 is fixing to start taking a different shape. It's going to start seeing a little bit of turbo work going on. We got to still do finish up on the tailgate and crazy little stuff like that. Get the steering in it. We got a cool looking steering wheel for this thing. Yeah, it's going to start taking different looks now and then. We're waiting on parts for the floor bed, the new floor for that, the aluminum floor, wood grain look. We're waiting on some parts from that factory. But yeah, Benchmark abrasives, thank you very much. Tough Goods. We're going to give them a try. Hope you do. It's a great company, and these are cool jugs. Like I said, they got good ergonomics with it. Everything, the way the handle's built compared to the spout, it's supposed to be a really smooth deal. It stops automatically, so it don't blow back on you, and you get fuel everywhere on you. Get the stinking. But yeah, we're going to give them a try. I hope you do too. They come in all different sizes, shapes, and way different colors. Tenderfoot picked this color. You know, it's lime green is what it is. But it has this strip here, lets you know how much you have in it. The visual strip. And yeah, thank you. Give them a try. Benchmark Abrasives, thank you very much. Have a blessed day.